Well, here's the battery cable I got for dual solenoid. Look how heavy that is. So I'm gonna put that on right now. Look at that. Heavy. Okay, so we got all the battery ends connected. We haven't started yet, but I'm gonna take the air cleaner off and open all the injectors and try to bleed the lines. The fuel lines aren't fixed yet, but we'll see if we can get it to start at least. So we'll see how it goes. They're not the best ends in the batteries, but we'll see. It's got new battery ends, new starter. It's starting to rain now, of course, but cracked injectors here. This is the one size. Crack a few injectors here and get the bleed at least. The inner side crack them open. See if the starter sticks on or what it'll do. If I hooked it up right, I don't know. Don't have any idea. Okay, I'll try to see if anything catches on fire. That's definitely a lot better. Holy crap. That's definitely a lot better starter. No feel yet. Yeah, that starter was shot, that was for sure. That's definitely a lot better starter. Hopefully the fuel will come up. It smells hot. Which is definitely cranking fast, but still no feel there yet. Nice if I had help. Boy, that cranks over fast. Oh, there's air in there. Got a starter or brake. You don't want to wreck that new starter. Damn it. That's hard on it. Okay, we're gonna, let's see. I don't see no fuel. It smells like it's trying to fire, to be honest. Okay, I got all the injector lines tight. We're gonna try it to see if it fires. It probably won't though, but it's worth a try. All the way to the floor. Wait for glow plugs to warm up. It sounds like it wants to go, but I really need somebody to help me prime it here. There's air in there. trouble when they leak the fuel back out. There you go, more?
Yeah. I don't see anything coming out of the injectors.
Huh. That smells hot. It smells like it's trying to fire, don't it? It smells like...
Okay, well, start her up again.
Okay.
See if it comes out by the pump there now. Whoa! Okay. She's pouring out there.
So it's getting close, huh? Alright.
Let's try it again, I guess.
I guess. Coming through?
No.
Alright. I don't think it's...
Just see if
I don't think
it miraculously starts up.
Well, I don't think it will.
Nothing.
Nothing?
Uh-uh.
Got air in the line. Water pump's out. Well, there you go. Smoking like hell. Holy crap.